morning, everyone. My name is Alexis Wesson. I'm the Chief of Staff for Council District 6. Welcome to Branford Village. We're so glad that you're able to join us here today. For many years, the area that we are standing in served as an encampment, a place where community was built, but services and needs were not met. The people that lived here did not have a reliable roof. They did not have resources, food, water, or consistent social services to make sure they were healthy. And 6 years ago, our office brought Kim Kardashian to this very spot to show the world what the plight of a community was living like. People across the country and the world saw what this community was dealing with every day and what the people in this encampment were living with and dealing with every day. And we knew it was not okay. Today, we open the doors to Branford Village, a new community where 161 people will be housed. And I think that deserves a round of applause. 161 people will have a safe place to lay their heads at night, clean linens, a community area, countless social services to help them get back on their feet and move forward. And that is the most important part. They'll have an opportunity to move forward. This area and this village is about second chances. It's about opportunity. It's not meant to be a forever home, but it's a stepping stone to a better, healthier tomorrow. Our office did not do this alone. We had many partners to help us, our city departments. I'd like to thank all of our city departments that are here that have helped us get to this place. It's taken us 3 years to get here. The Bureau of Engineering, our Board of Public Works, the CAO's office, and many more. So I'd like to give them a round of applause and thank them for all of their hard work. I'd also like to thank the Sun Valley Neighborhood Council. Without them, projects like this cannot come to fruition. So we have some of our representatives here from the Neighborhood Council who helped us get community support to bring this project forward. Norma's here and Wendy's here. I'd also like to thank our partners who will be helping us do some outreach, and that is LA Family Housing. I think they're here today as well. Raise your hands. There they are. I'd also like to thank Jonah from our office. He is our district director. He has done so much to bring this project forward, to move it forward, to make sure that I was dotted, T was crossed. Train. So I'd like to thank Jonah Glickman, our district director.
Thank you.
And last but not least, I'd like to thank our partners, Volunteers of America, who will be overseeing this site. They will be up here shortly to talk to you about what this project entails. Right now, I'd like to bring forward our Board of Public Works Commissioner President, Aura Garcia.
Thank you, Alexis, for your time and for your efforts on this. Good morning, everyone. My name is Aura Garcia. I am the president of the Board of Public Works, and it is an honor and a privilege to be here this morning. It is so nice to see so many people interested in what this project came to be. And I do want to thank Alexis and Jonah and your entire staff for having that perseverance, that tenacity to make sure that this came through. And in Council District 6, this is so important to have here. As you know, we are all challenged throughout the city with our unhoused population, and we're looking for sites and places that we can house them. And as big as our city is, there's a lot of places that are niches and places that we get very creative in designing. And with that, Bureau of Engineering has really excelled on that. Marina Quiñones here, or our designer and our architect and engineer has really pulled through not just this one, but many others throughout the city. And just, you know, if you really look around, the fact that there's we're going to be able to have beds for almost 100 and something folks and 83 units in a place like this, it takes a lot of creativity. And our engineers at the city are just I want to say top of the line, because they get to have places like this and convert them into homes, into shelters, into communities that will house folks that really need them. So with that, I really want to thank the Bureau of Engineering, the Bureau of Contract Administration for that work that they put together. But the vision really came from Council District 6. And so Council District 6, we really do thank you for making this happen. You know, it's a really honor to serve as the president because we get to do really things like this. Today, I'm also joined with my Vice President, Teresa Villegas, and we both felt very important, very strongly to be here today. That's how much we support not only this project, but other projects that are here to house our unhoused community. And so we hope with our new mayor, Mayor Bass, and her really strong initiatives on making sure that we put people back into homes, this is one of those that are the efforts to that. So thank you for making the contribution. And really to Volunteers of America and to everybody that plays a role in just making this effort happen. It's a citywide issue that we're all dealing with, but you know what? Together, just all of us here together with our hearts and minds put in the right place, we will make this happen and we'll bring folks home into homes that they can now live, you know, proceed to live on a permanent basis. So with that, I just want to say thank you to everybody that's standing behind us. I'm excited to hear what Volunteers of America is going to do. I'm excited to see that we'll bring folks from the streets into homes and then, you know, work with them to find permanent housing. But overall, you know, this is a project that is dear to our hearts, to all of us at the city. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Thank you for listening to what we're doing. And we ask for the support for everyone. This is a citywide issue that we take very seriously. So with that, I say thank you to everybody that's here. Thank you to everybody that made today possible. It's an honor to be here, and I can't wait to see this place be full, because that just tells us that we're taking care of more folks out there. So thank you for having me this morning. Thank you, Alexis.
Thank you, Commissioner. Next, I'm going to have Marina Quinones from the Bureau of Engineering give a couple of remarks. But I also want to quickly thank NVCS. I think they're here. Mm-hmm. There you go. They have been one of NVCS, North Valley Caring Services, have been one of our major partners for this office for Council District 6 in outreach when we are trying to house our unhoused neighbors. They have been great partners for our office, and we really could not be here without them. So thank you very much.
Good morning. I'm Marina Quinones, Senior Architect at the Bureau. Ted Allen, our City Engineer, couldn't make it this morning, but he does send his regards. This is Tiny Home Village number 11, the third temporary shelter in this district. We've worked with CD6 on 2 other sites. There are bridge home sites. We definitely appreciate the collaboration with Alexis and Jonah and your staff as we've continued to build these shelters. This site provides 83 pallets, 161 beds. The site has also required a direct collaboration with Metro Lincoln County. And so if any representative is here, thank you so much for that collaboration. Thank you to city departments who are here as well, BCA, DWP, Building and Safety, LA Sanitation, and the CAO, who provide just so much support financially in our endeavors to build these sites. Thank you to Access Pacific. I don't know if someone is here from Access Pacific, but thank you for their partnership. This site started construction in March, was set to be completed last year, but it came through all the way to this month. So we were in construction for 12 months, and they really persevered through a lot of challenges. This was a very challenging site. Lastly, I want to thank our BOE staff, Mariette, Jorge, Amy, and Eric. They are our designers and engineers, construction managers who have been a part of this project since the beginning, so designing and in construction. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. Now I would like to bring up Volunteers of America. I'd like Orlando Ward to introduce his team.
Thank you so much. Good morning. I am Orlando Ward. I'm the Director of Community Relations for Volunteers of America, Los Angeles. And first of all, I've got to say thank you to this enormous collaboration. It's amazing what we can do when we start working together, right? Volunteers of America has been in business for over 125 years. Our goal is to help the most vulnerable populations. I've been doing this for about 20 years. After being formerly homeless myself, living on Skid Row, I've seen the ins and outs as a consumer and as somebody that's trying to help people. And I gotta tell you, the difference I'm seeing now is there's a creativity, there's an urgency, there's funding, there's all these departments and all this talent coming together, singularly focused to try to end something that Los Angeles needs to be embarrassed about. For that, I think we should give all of us a hand. Absolutely. You know, I'm encouraged when I hear the mayor's office talk about Inside Safe. I'm encouraged when I see the county budget that was recently announced and the focus on homelessness. But I'm inspired when I get to work with folks like I do at CD6, who have shown an enormous amount of courage, persistence, working through difficult situations to make sure that their constituents are not forgotten. And that's big to me, because it'd be easy to worry about all this other stuff that's going on while these lives continue to evaporate in front of us. So a big hand to CD6, and we're proud to partner with them. It's hot. I'm not going to stay out here long. So I'm going to bring Charles up, who's going to be running this program. I think we have neighborhood council here as well, right? Yes. Okay. This is your guy, right? This is the guy we're going to talk to. We're going to understand what's going on with this program and how it can best serve the community. Thank you, Charles.
Thank you to everybody being out here. It has been quite a journey, a fulfilling journey at that, and I couldn't do this alone without the help of cultivating the team. Desiree Martin, I want to thank Caleb Anderson, I want to thank Rosa for giving me the chance to even be out here and to fulfill my purpose of extending my hand of kindness to helping the ones in need. As you may know, my name is Charles Cleve II. I'll be the program manager for Tiny Homes Sun Valley. It is no secret we do have 83 units, so that means we are going to be housing 161 clients. It's amazing because even in the construction of building this magnificent site, there have already been people who are wanting to come in and are interested in they're wanting to be on the waiting list. Right now we have 125 clients actually being on the waiting list currently. That round of applause for that. With that being said, with the 125 clients, we have a hierarchy as far as what we feel is necessary. So that means we're going to have our ADA clients first, then we're going to have our high-risk clients, and then everybody afterwards will be able to be housed in our program. There's a lot of ideas surfacing around the program as far as having game nights, as far as having movie nights, not just utilizing the space to just sit here. It's more so cultivating a family among our clients and among our staff members. Again, I want to say thank you to our outreach workers because we've been working hand in hand as well. That has been amazing. And so it is going to be a very, very fulfilling project. We're going to feed them 3 times a day. They have warm water. They have shelter. They have AC in their rooms. They have heat in their rooms. We're really going to take care of them because they need it. And it's, again, rewarding for me personally because it could happen to anybody. So them coming into this space and having case managers, work with them, along with providing services for them is going to be an amazing thing. So I'm really looking forward to it. And the moment is finally here. So I'm very, very happy. And thank you all for having me.